Okay, today is August 11th, and I was driving down the road and I found another plant that I could possibly try and grow. So we're gonna cross the road here and we're gonna see if we can get it. Oh man, it's already pretty big. As you can see, it's this plant here. The Hawaiian name for it is the NONI. It's used for medicine and all kinds of other things. But as you can see, the fruit is right here. It smells pretty disgusting when it's ripe, but I guess you can eat it for medicinal purposes. But I know the leaves can also be used for medicine. But we're gonna try and pull it out here and see if we can take it home. All right, here it is. Okay, some pretty big roots here. Okay, it's a lot of roots. There it is. Just another one to add to the collection. Looks like I ripped some roots off here pretty significantly, but I think it'll survive. Just put it in a pot and we'll go ahead and grow it. I'll continue when I get home. Okay, so today is August 13th, 2018, and we're back at the NONI plant. I know I said I was going to plant it later that day, but a couple things came up, so I had to just pop it in this bucket of water here to make sure the plant was getting water so it could survive. So it's only been about almost 2 days. As you can see here, this is what I meant when I said the fruit of this plant, as it ripens, it can get really gross. It smells horrible. It smells like vomit. But as you can see, it's squishy. So I'm gonna cut these fruits off. There's 3 of them. There's one here, here, and then there's this one here. I'm gonna take a couple of these leaves off, like I do with the other plants. Okay, so before I start this, before I take this plant out to start putting holes in the bottom of it, I'm just going to be using this simple box cutter carpenter's knife to put a few holes on the bottom of it for drainage. But before I start moving everything around, I'm going to cut that one fruit right there off, because it's going to be pretty gross if I end up accidentally stepping on it or smashing it somehow. So I'll go ahead and do that, and I'll show you what it looks like. I'll give you a closer look at what it looks like. All right, so I just cut it off. I cut it off, and here it is. The NONI fruit. It actually smells pretty disgusting, but some people do eat it for medicinal purposes, I guess. I've never ever eaten this, and I never will. I will not eat this. What does it smell like, Kame?
Gross.
Smell it again.
It smells gross again.
You want to eat it?
No.
Are you sure?
No.
Okay. Well, there you have it. The NONI fruit. I'm gonna stick here and actually try and I'll try and get this to open up. It is so gross. I had no idea people ate these. When we were kids, we actually had a pretty big tree, and we used to throw these at each other as a prank because they were so disgusting. But I can't imagine eating this. I can't. It's So it actually looks just as gross as it smells. But yeah, let's just get back to planting the tree. All right, so we've got the noni in a pot here now. We've got it planted in the soil, in that bucket that I just mentioned. Simple, pretty cheap Walmart bucket. I got it here in the soil. I know it may not look centered, but it's because all the roots are leaning towards this side. So I didn't want to force it into the center and wind up breaking the roots that were left after I actually yanked it out of the ground. And I know a lot of you plant or gardening enthusiasts out there were probably cringing when I was ripping this tree out of the ground, but as I said, I'm not an expert, but I do have some experience in planting, so I didn't think it was going to affect this plant too negatively, but we'll see. You know, I'm going to take these fruits off and a couple of the leaves, and I'll go ahead and do that now so you can see what it looks like. I haven't watered it yet. I haven't watered the pot yet, but I will after I've taken these leaves off. So we'll take the bigger leaves off here. I'll take this off. Here and here. We'll take the fruit off. This fruit off. Just span out so you can get a good look at what it looks like right now. So this is what we've got going on here right now. It kind of looks like this, and I think I'm going to go ahead and take. By the way, I'm sorry about the wind. It's always really windy here. I'm going to go ahead and take these bigger leaves off right here, because as you can see here, there's some smaller leaves that are already on the way up, and I'm pretty sure they'll be okay in the event I take off these two bigger leaves here. I'll go ahead and take off those leaves, and I'll water it, and I'll show you what it looks like after, when I'll finally leave it alone and let it do its own thing. Alright, so I've gone ahead and watered it. Now that the soil is wet, it'll hold the plant down pretty well, at least until the roots kind of grab onto the soil and solidify the foundation of this noni plant. I decided to leave one of the leaves that I said I was going to cut off, just to see how it does. If it doesn't look too good a little later on, I'll just go ahead and take it off, but I don't think it'll be too much of a problem. I'm gonna relocate this pot out of the shady area to where it can get some sun periodically. So there you go, there's the transplanting of the noni plant from the wild into a pot. I'm going to leave these fruits here so they can give back to the tree, give back those nutrients. But there you go, there's the transplanting of the noni plant. We'll see, hopefully it starts looking real good here really soon, so that I can put an update video up on how this plant is doing. I'll probably do that within a month to show you the progress on this plant. As always, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and hope it encourages you to go out there, find some plants for yourself and grow them.